Welcome to Learn with Zaza and Mary. Hi friends! Oh, what are those? Surprise eggs! Let's learn colors with surprise eggs! Yay! Red. This is the color red. Let's see what's inside this red egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
Oh, it's opening. Wow, that's a fire truck.
Yay!
Yellow. This is the color yellow. Let's see what's inside this yellow egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
Oh, it's opened. Aw, that's a cute little duck. The duck is yellow. Green. This is the color green. Now let's see what's inside this green egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
Whoa, that's a dinosaur. A green dinosaur.
Yay!
Blue. Let's see what's inside this blue egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
It's opening. Wow, that's a blue car. Wow. Purple. Let's see what's inside this purple egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
It's opening. That's a purple butterfly.
Wow!
Pink. That's a pink egg. Now let's see what's inside this pink egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
Wow, that's a pink cupcake.
Yummy!
Brown. This is the brown egg. Now let's see what's inside this brown egg. Say, open please.
Open, please.
Oh, it's opening. Aw, that's a brown teddy bear.
Aw, that's so cute!
It was so much fun opening the surprise eggs and learning colors. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Do subscribe for more fun. Bye!